Babe, I just want to say, I'm happy to have you in my life.
Masaya ako nakilala ka. Dumating ka sa buhay ko.
Thank you for everything that you gave to me. Your love, your life, and your honesty.
Hindi naman ako perfectong tao, pero sana maging perfect ang life natin. Kahit tayo medyo nagkakatampuhan, hindi naman makaalis at sa atin yun basta tayo nagkakasundo. Mahal na mahal kita.
I will be your best friend, wife, girlfriend, and enemy.
I was trying to fly, but I couldn't find a way.
Nagpapasalamat at ikaw ang binigay sa akin ng Panginoon na makasama ko habang buhay. Napakaswerte ko sa'yo at malaga ka sa akin. Kahit na medyo tapahin, tampuhin ka.
I may not be a perfect wife, but I will do my best to make our relationship strong and healthy. I love you with the love of the Lord. May God be the center of our relationship. May God bless us in the new chapter of our life.
Lagi mo lang tatandaan, babe. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you so much.
I love you today, tomorrow, and forever.
I've watched from the distance as you made life your own. Every sky was your own kind of blue, and I wanted to know how that would feel. And you made it so real. You showed me something that I couldn't see. You opened my eyes and you made me believe. You lift my feet off the ground. You spin me around. You make me crazier, crazier. Feels like I'm falling and I am lost in your eyes. You make me crazier, crazier, crazier.